Thank you for following me just now. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna handle black this time. It's gonna be my final game today, everybody. Yeah. If you want to support me, please press like, everybody. Just use your finger for 1 second. Okay, invade 3-3. Oh ho, fine. Same Joseki. Still lower side has a potential if I play Kusumi. Still, I can handle here. Next move, pincer is also good, and invasion is also good. Then here is also good. He can decide. He can even answer with 3 space jump. Knight move is not the move but we are using a lot because there has a vital point later. Okay, let me just get in there. This exchange seems not bad for me, right? Okay, I like it. It's suitable move now. We are sharing the corner. Should I just get in here or push? Okay, push. Invasion was making sense just now. Actually, it was not bad. If I push here, although I can't get in immediately, then I can handle the upper side. Oh, okay, ignore. Fine. Oh, until now he is handling perfectly except knight move. What is my next move? Can I just jump here? Is it good enough or is it too passive? I think he can answer like 2 space jump and large knight move. Let's just see. He can find out or not. Here seems good move, I think. Here. Okay, ignore. Okay, fine. You gave me chance to use the Tetsuji. If I wanna capture 5 stones, then I need to attack another 1 stone. And then double Hane. I'm ready to have a trading. I'm ready. Okay. Oh, even push there. Push. Give me a second, please. Which one is making me mostly happy? Just Atari is better. I think I can skip this. Atari first. Let's make this heavier first. And then still, you know, I'm waiting for the cutting here. I'm waiting for cutting. White need to answer carefully. Okay. Are you sure you can accept this cutting? Anytime there is cutting. Hello, Kotoshu from France. Welcome. Okay, white must exchange everything from there, but there is a cutting. Still is annoying cutting. White cannot give up this, you know. He can't give up. Cannot. He must save this, otherwise it doesn't make sense. It looks very messy, but white has no method to capture this. That's the problem. And he can't give up this one. Okay, still is my sente. If he really wanna save, he can Atari and cut and capture this. But the problem is he need to give up this one. Okay, so he decided to just answering there. But now is, you know, when I cut here, I have a two decision. Even I can consider to Atari this. When he captures, I can capture. It seems simply I'm better. Yeah, I don't have to think anything else. Because if I can capture two stones, it cannot be bad for me. If I was a little bit greedy, I can even consider to connect and let him capture. I can jump and kill all of them. But I have to read even capturing race. It was much headache. Like I need to think much more. But now you know he cannot. I wanted to tell you he cannot escape. But if he does, then I can go back to capture his two stones. This is a main group. He cannot give up this group, you know. Then even this group, life and death, is in trouble. By the way, is it game number 45 or 40? What game? I forgot. Is it 46? Just now, how many games did I play? I totally forgot. Did I forget to change the number? 2, 4. I can search. Give me a second. I start from here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 46. Okay. Ladder doesn't work. Okay, 46. I fixed it now. Ladder doesn't work, so I don't have to be worried for this group. Just I have to escape when you want to capture this group. Yeah, but ladder doesn't work, right? Yeah, it's right. Doesn't work. Okay, he resigned. Okay, today I'm really playing against the 7-up player. Let's have a simple review, I think, here. Oh, beginning is normal. And for this move, normally if we want to continue, then normally we use this move. Like this. Yeah, this is what we are using for catching the sente. Yeah, but when he plays here, that I don't have to even respond there. Yeah. And then I just Tanuki here. Until now, it was very great. Yeah, here, and it's making sense too. If we continue to play here, just we are developing together. The upper side is good for me, and the left hand side is good for him. And I think it's okay. Now is right timing to invade there. And when I just jump here, if I'm white, maybe I will just defense here. Somehow, you know, blocking doesn't make sense. And then just making larger doesn't make even sense. When I get in, it's very hard to handle. Even I may invade actually here. Yeah. So I think if he plays a 2-space jump here, then I think it's stable line. And just, you know, this white stone position is really good area. Even I just approached them when he just jumps out here, it's concentrated. I think it's okay. Maybe he was afraid of this move. Actually, it's no problem. And then when I surround, then he can peep and save. And when I want to steer his base like here, then he can consider to jump out to the center. So it was okay. But when he just jumps out here, now is kind of an annoying area for white. What can white do that? If he ignore here, then, you know, I can just step at the left hand side. I don't have to capture here. But if you want to challenge it like now, yeah. And connecting is horribly bad. Now black is too thick. And I can go back to take care of my group. Yeah. And when you want to keep fight like now, and I can make it heavier like this, then what can he do that? Does he want to throw or not? The problem is when he keep moving out like now, then always this is in trouble. Yeah. Even he can't connect here, that I can capture here. So now white cannot find the solution. But when it was keep moving like actual game, it get worse and worse. Yeah, I had many solution. I think I just choose the simple way, like this. It's good enough. Yeah, so I don't have to try to think which is very complicated, because this was obviously good for me. And when it says no, then I can capture here. Then even though he just cut here, I can just keep push here. He cannot have 2 eyes there. Yeah, really impossible to make 1 more eye. So now, yeah, ladder doesn't work, then he has no solution. Okay, I think the next, oh, just now this game also we finished quite quickly. Okay. Everybody, do you want me to play one more game? Do you want me to play one more game? Or is it good enough? How should the white play against the attach? That means now the white tenuki too much. It was a bit too much. Yeah, because I have a jump. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much everybody for answering and supporting me. One more game. If there was no 1 stone, then when I play attach, then, you know, in case he just connect, then he has a timing to go out, right? So it was okay. But when I have 1 more stone, that was too late. Yeah. Oh, you pressed the like. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, even you promote for like, right? Yeah, just now I saw that. Now the gaming. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Let me have 1 more game. Who knows that if I finish in 5 minutes next game, then I will complete 7 games. But today I'm not stressful. I'm really playing against the human. Real 7 dan is making me happy. It doesn't mean last week I was unhappy. It was okay actually. Okay, 1 more game. Thank you for responding.